Hi, I'm Sanyin Siang. I'm here with Admiral Jamie Sands. And Jamie, you are so brilliant at teaming up with others and using that context to enable us to change. So how do you do that?
I think that when we face problems, it's key for us to look at it and think about our experiences. What have we done before to solve similar problems? And second, to recognize that the problems we faced in the past are not necessarily exactly the same. So with that in mind, we have to figure out what tools did we use before? Are they still appropriate for the problem we're addressing now? Or do we need to develop new tools? Whereas I like to say a lot, and I've heard imitate this from other people, is just, are we looking at the problem through the right lens? Or are we using the right blueprint? And I think that's what we tend to do, and certainly in the military, and myself, we sometimes will try and approach a different problem with the same tools that we're always comfortable using. And so we're constantly looking at, which tools do we drop, which ones do we use, which ones do we need to build that we don't even think about.
So there you have it. We are in a constantly changing environment facing a lot of uncertainty. And in that type of environment, we can't be complacent. We have to be reflective, and we can draw from history to see what are the type of tools that has helped us and how, and whether those tools are relevant. And if they're not relevant anymore, to be able to have the wherewithal to say, let's let them go, let's not be tied to them, and what new tools do we have to develop, and develop them in partnership with others.
Can I add one thing to
Yes,
your
of
comment
course.
on reflection? So important and not always done. If whenever you're facing a problem, that's the first thing, right? Stop and actually think.
Yes.
And then act.
Yes. So there you have it. Reflection is so key to this too. Thanks, Jamie.
Thanks, Samia.